Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today's video is our grocery haul, you guys. We had a very small budget this week, but we did not need a lot of things. In addition to this grocery haul, we're going to share a recipe with you, and we're also going to give you a couple of meal ideas. So what I'm showing you now, I went to two stores. This is Aldi, and then I went to Walmart. So here's what we got. We got two things of the low-carb tortillas. They were $1.99 each. We got two things of the sharp cheddar white deli sliced cheese for $1.79. One loaf of the keto-friendly bread, $3.99. Now these we got for a recipe. These are just like seasonings you would put on popcorn. We're not using them on popcorn, but we're going to use them on a recipe that I found today. So I got butter, white cheddar, and then nacho cheese. They were $1.79 each. Butter was $1.79, so I picked up two of those. Tilapia was $3.79. I picked up two of those. The sausage patties were $5.19. I picked up that. That's not the most keto friendly, but in a pinch, if we need a meat, there it is. This mozzarella cheese, a 1 pound bag, was $2.25, I think. This holiday cranberry candle was $3.99. These name badges, or not name, gift tags were 99 cents. And then I picked up one spinach for $1.19. So all at Aldi, I spent $43 and some change. $43 and some change. At Walmart, I simply got two ranch packets. They were 50 cents each. Two Italian packets, 50 cents each. This margarita premium pizza sauce was $1.98, but it was the lowest one in carbs at 3 grams of carbs, 3 net grams of carbs. They did have the Rayos. That was $4.89 or something like that. So it was like $3 more for the same size. So again, probably not the cleanest of keto, but it fit into my budget this week. So I picked up two of those, and then one of the queso blanco cheeses. This was $2.89, something like that. So at Walmart, I spent $7.92. So all in all, I spent $51, and my budget was $50. So I brought out $1 that I had just in my wallet, and that's going to round out our grocery haul. So I'm going to share with you a couple of meal ideas that the kids and I are going to put together. All right, you guys. So I'm going to share a recipe with you. This is my first time working on this recipe, so don't come for my life, okay? So I was watching KetoFocus the other day. I am really thinking about, probably in January, doing a series where I follow other keto YouTubers and try some of their recipes. Kind of like Highfalutin, low carb. I think that's what his name is. But I saw KetoFocus. She did two recipes that I wanted to recreate. One of them is the keto crackers or popcorn. And then another one was a pecan pie using a crust that you roll out. Like she mixed the crust together and rolled it out and put it in a pie pan. So I'm going to try that recipe. I'm trying to find the right recipe. She also has some rolls that I'd like to try. But for right now, I'm going to just work on the keto crackers. And so if I can remember, I will try to link the video. Y'all, sometimes I don't remember to link the video. So I'm going to pop her. It's only 7 minutes, so it's not long. I'm going to look and see what ingredients I need, and then I'll come back and share with you what she shared here. It's kind of in that same vein as those new keto fries that everybody has been trying. I have not tried them yet because I know I will not be able to stop at 2 or 3 or 4. You know, that's just not how I'm gonna live, because I haven't had fries in I don't know how long. I was somewhere yesterday and the smell of fried potatoes, French fries, just assaulted my whole nostrils. And I was like, oh my word. If I don't get out of where I am right now. I was driving past some kind of eatery. I was in a parking lot where the eatery is. And I was trying to turn so I could go and get some gas. and it was smelling so good. I had to get away from there because, you know, sometimes I think somebody said just because you're keto doesn't mean you don't have cravings, because I do still have those cravings. But anyway, I'm going to jump in here. Over in the Instant Pot, we have pigtails are in. We had another pack. I went and took the other pack that was bad back to Piggly Wiggly. They gave us another pack, and so we're cooking those because they have to be cooked. Today is Wednesday. I took a turkey out. I had 2 turkeys. I took 1 turkey out because I had to cook that turkey Saturday night because we're having a Christmas lunch at church on Sunday. So the turkey is in the fridge. It's been in there since yesterday. So a couple more days and it should be thawed out. I do want to brine it Friday night, and I will cook it Sunday night. So, okay, let me do this video real quick. Jackson's going to help. So let us get this video together real fast, and then we will come right back. All right, so we have 100 grams of almond flour. Jackson's getting ready to add in a tablespoon of xanthan gum, and I'm doing a half a teaspoon of salt. Tablespoons of hot water, and then we're adding 6 tablespoons of hot water. All right, so I've gotten the dough in between the parchment paper, and I'm going to roll this out flat. Now, over to the side, Alana is making shaved steak, or the cheese steak shaved beef. And so we're going to have a cheesesteak pizza for dinner. So that's one idea for dinner. So I'm just going to roll this out with my rolling pin as flat as we can get it. Do you need these? Yeah.
We need these. Yeah, we
Can you finish? No. For the pizza. Put some in there when that wilts down. Okay, so that is rolled out pretty flat, and now I'm just going to take my pizza cutter and cut it into cracker shapes. So far, so good. I'm trying to make those as cracker-like as I can. Why am I forgetting all the new things that we have here? Look at that. Under kitchen light, under cabinet light. And the Lord said, and there it is. So that's as cracker-like as it's going to get. So it's cracker-like. Now let's get the rest of our directions. So that is a 1/4 cup of olive oil, a tablespoon of ranch, and a 1/2 tablespoon of Italian dressing, the powder. And then we're just going to take this and brush it on. Then just flip them over and baste the other side. And because this has kind of an Italian base, I'm going to use some of this white cheddar seasoning. I'm just going to sprinkle it over. Alright, so we're going to take this in a 250-degree oven for 30 minutes. Alright, you guys, so for some quick meal ideas, tonight we're having pizza. That is, we're having Philly cheesesteak pizza. We also have just the last few remnants of leftovers that will need to be eaten up, so we will do that. In the cabinet here, or the pantry, we still have 2 spaghetti squash, so we'll make a spaghetti squash meal this week for sure. 1 to eat and 1 to save. So we'll have spaghetti squash. We have sausage. We have plenty of eggs. We can have breakfast for dinner. We have a ton of chicken legs, and I still have cranberry relish. So I'm thinking cranberry chicken legs will be another meal. And then we got 2 things of tilapia. So definitely a fish chowder, because I still have another can of those baby corns. So I'll do half in the chowder and half in the keto cornbread, and that'll be a meal. Trying to think. We have a ton of chicken, and we'll probably end up having some turkey left over from Sunday. So that's a couple meals that we'll think about. I'm trying to decide what we're going to do with the spaghetti squash. We may use some of those little chicken strips that we have, the Tyson chicken strips or the Purdue chicken strips. And what we'll do is just make like a spaghetti Parmesan bake, and we'll put that in the oven. I probably will make some truffles to go with the sausage patties. 2 truffles of sausage and a piece of cheese makes a great breakfast sandwich. So that would be another thing that we could do as well. So, and we also have the pigtails going. Of course, I love a pigtail. It's a meat. It's something that I can eat. And it does me well, especially when I'm trying to find something very quickly that I can eat, especially when we do them in the Instant Pot. Instant Pot is pretty much done in no time. So that's going to be it, you guys. We will share with you when the crackers come out, how they look and how they taste. So 250 for 30 minutes is what the instructions were. And when I get a chance, I'll try to link that video. It was KetoFocus. I'm going to try her pecan pie mug cake. So maybe that'll give me just a little something for my sweet tooth tonight. But on Saturday for sure, I'm going to make that pecan pie that she made. There is like a pecan chocolate pie in the Southern Keto cookbook, but I actually like the crust she made. It's like for real rolled out crust that you put in a pie plate and you crimp the sides or you crimp the edges, and it just looked really good. So I'm going to give that a go. But anywho, just waiting to see what those crackers look like, and we'll show you when that is done. Okay, you guys, so here are the crackers. We just pulled them out of the oven. I'm going to touch one. Oh, it feels cracker-like. And Mr. Sir over here is like, Hand out.
I'm trying to figure out what it feels like. You said it feels good.
Well, you already touched it now. You got to eat that. You got to eat it. You touched it. Sorry. The end.
Tastes crackerish, but that one's a little burnt.
I'm sorry it was a little burnt. So note to self, don't sprinkle extra seasoning on your Silpat mat. It doesn't like that. So I'm going to try it and see what I think, but that's it cooked. They're a little chewy, but it's only because we just pulled it out. So we're going to let it sit, kind of firm up a little. But I think that'll be lovely. So this is going to taste one.
I think it is great now. Almost like a crouton.
Kind of like a crouton, yeah. So there it is. Of course, there are varying degrees of sizes. I tried to do my best. They did puff up a little tiny bit. But I think they taste very lovely. So again, here is the... yeah, Jackson's putting the pizza dough in. And there is the Philly cheesesteak that's going to go on top of the pizza. And Alana just put the pigtails in. So we do have a little bit free leftovers, but we're going to live our best life. So anywho, there that is. So there it is, you guys. Grocery haul, meal plan, a recipe, just kind of a little chit chat, all the things at one time. We do want to thank you guys so much for stopping by. Y'all, we had a small budget this week and we made it work. We will be doing a separate preps haul video. We have a small amount for preps this month. We are still in the middle of prepping. We are just prepping along. We are just not doing it so huge at one time because that is not fit into our budget. We are going to do it little bit by little bit. So anywho, thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you like the video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe. Share this video if you feel like it's shareable. Don't forget to subscribe. Like the video, all the things. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.